Hello everyone, this is Faisal Haroon with your weekly performance update for the week ending April 24th, 2026. As the Middle East conflict continues, our benchmark SPY posted a gain of 0.54%, climbing to a new high. The week also turned out to be phenomenal for all our strategies. Let's take a look. First, the disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investments carry risk of loss. Performance numbers may be hypothetical or based on historical data. You must agree to the terms of service at the link shown on the screen. If you continue to watch, it will be assumed that you do. Let's start with ETF Blend 120. The strategy gained 1.28% this week, outperforming the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy is up 3.57% with the one-year return at 6.17%. Over 10 years, the strategy has delivered an impressive 46.16% return, significantly ahead of SPY's 14.96%. Moving on to ETF Blend 10115. This strategy posted a gain of 0.86% for the week, also beating the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy shows a strong 11.7% gain with the one-year return at 39.27%. The 10-year performance stands at 26.31%, well above the benchmark. Next up is ETF Blend 10225. The strategy had an excellent week with a gain of 2.22%, substantially outperforming SPY. Year to date, the strategy is up 1.97% with the one-year return at 5.29%. The 10-year performance is particularly noteworthy at 58.39%. Now let's look at ETF Blend 10320, our free strategy available to all subscribers. This strategy gained 0.85% this week. Year to date, the strategy shows a solid 10.66% gain with the one-year return at 34.38%. Over 10 years, the strategy has returned 23.13%, compared to SPY's 14.96%. Turning to ETF Blend 235. The strategy saw a strong gain of 1.92% this week, well ahead of the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy is up 6.64%, with the one-year return at 23.92%. The 10-year performance stands at 39.19%, substantially outpacing the benchmark. Now let's turn to our aggressive strategies. ETF Blend 340 delivered a strongest weekly performance with a gain of 2.73%. Year to date, the strategy is down 3.63% and the one-year return is 7.74%. However, the 10-year performance tells a compelling story at 77.1%, far exceeding the benchmark. Next, we have ETF Blend 30120. The strategy posted an impressive gain of 2.94% this week. Year to date, the strategy shows a slight decline of 1.39% with the one-year return at 14.45%. The 10-year performance is outstanding at 94.58%, dramatically outperforming the benchmark. Finally, ETF Blend 30225. This strategy had the best week of all with a gain of 3.35%, significantly beating SPY. Year to date, the strategy is up 13.53% with the one-year return at 42.33%. The 10-year performance is exceptional at 80.76%, well ahead of the benchmark. What a fantastic week for our subscribers. All 8 strategies outperformed the benchmark, with several posting gains well over 2%. This is exactly the kind of performance we strive for. If you are finding value in these updates, please share them with friends and family at Zehnlabs.com. Remember, our approach is built for long-term wealth creation, and weeks like this reinforce why staying invested through all market conditions is so important. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.